All right, in part A, this piecewise defined function is 2 and negative 2 on these domains. And so to be continuous, we'll have to have an ax plus b, which is an expression for a straight line that just connects these 2 points. So identify these 2 points ordered pairs, find the slope between them. We're going down 4 into the right 4, so it'll just be negative 1. And we could find a and b algebraically, but we also know that if you start here and use a slope of negative 1, we'll go down 1 to the right 1, and there's our vertical intercept. So our equation is mx plus b, negative 1x, plus the vertical intercept of 1. So a is negative 1, and b is positive 1. Part B, if you just graph that line on this interval, then we have a graph that certainly seems to be continuous. That was part B. All right, part C. Well, we can see as x approaches 0, our piecewise defined function is approaching 1.